Hi guys, Jasper again, and I love doing basketball and playing with Ray Aslan.
I love doing collecting garbage.
And
And also collect the garbage cans.
ano pa?
I get all the garbage. And I also be a garbage guy.
Anong dream mo paglaki?
A garbage collector.
What's your dream?
Apple.
Ang galing! Si Mami naman.
Apple.
Oh, Mami, ikaw na.
I want to... My hobby is sleeping and cellphone.
Never take after me.
Mami always
and
sleeping.
cellphone?
Ayan po sila, mababait po yan. Lalo na si Gray, mabait po yan.